Today I am going to discuss about continuity and differentiability. It is the second lecture of continuity and differentiability. Today I am going to discuss about types of discontinuity. Types of discontinuity. There are two types of discontinuity. One is removal type discontinuity. Removal type discontinuity. Removal type discontinuity. And second is non-removal type discontinuity. Non-removal type discontinuity. In this case, if LHL is equal to RHL, if LHL is equal to RHL, it is called removal type discontinuity. In this case, LHL does not is equal to RHL, therefore it is called non-removal discontinuity. Removal type discontinuity also two types: missing point discontinuity and isolated point discontinuity. And non-removable discontinuity is also three types: finite type discontinuity, infinite type discontinuity, and oscillatory type discontinuity. Again, we take an example. This is also oscillatory type. We take an example: fx is equal to 1 if x must be greater than 0, fx equal to 1 if x must be less than 0. We trace a graph and see. This is the graph. Fx is equal to 1. Condition is that x must be greater than 0. It is the graph fx is equal to 1. Condition is that x less than 0. In this case, we see at x equal to 0, LHL is equal to, at x equal to 0, LHL is equal to limit h tends to 0, f 0 minus h. It means left side, just left side 0. We see its value is 1, its height is 1, and again RHL value is also 1. It means right hand limit at x equal to 0, which is also 1. Therefore LHL is equal to RHL. But in this case, at x equal to 0, there is no value of the function. It means function is not defined at x equal to 0. Therefore it is called missing type discontinuity. And also removal type discontinuity. Again, we take an example: fx is equal to, just see, fx equal to 1, x is greater than 0, and also 1, fx equal to x less than equal to 0, and at x equal to 0, let fx equal to 2. We trace a graph again. X equal to x-axis and y-axis. This is the graph f(x) is equal to 1 and this is also a graph fx equal to 1, and condition is that x greater than 0 and condition is that x less than 0. But at s equal to 0, at s equal to 0, we see value of the function is 2. Therefore this point is 0 comma 2, this point is 0 comma 2. It means at s equal to 0, at s equal to 0, f0 is value of function at 0 is 2. In this case LHL is equal to RHL also 1, but at s equal to 0, value of the function f0 is 2, which is not equal to LHL or RHL. Therefore it is called isolated point type, isolated point discontinuity. It is called isolated point type discontinuity. It is also a removable type of discontinuity. We say that it is also a removable type of discontinuity. Again we take an example. Fx is equal to 1, x greater than 0 and minus 1, x less than 0. We trace a graph again. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. This is the graph fx equal to 1. Condition is that x must be greater than 0. And this is the graph fx equal to minus 1. Fx equal to minus 1. Condition is that x less than 0. In this case, we see that LHL limit just left to 0. We see that LHL limit is minus 1, fx equal to minus 1. It is written as fx equal to minus 1. LHL limit is equal to minus 1, and RHL limit just right side to 0, we see that this side is 1. Therefore LHL is plus 1. Therefore LHL does not is equal to RHL. It means it is non-removable type discontinuity. Since LHL or RHL are finite, these values are finite, therefore it is also called finite type discontinuity. This is also called finite type discontinuity. Again we take an example. Fx is equal to 1 upon x. We trace a graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. We know that it is the rectangular hyperbola. We trace a graph. This graph is in this type. This is the x equal to 0. This is the origin. At s equal to 0, LHL limit, we write x0 negative of 1 by x is minus infinity. Since we know that this graph is going to minus infinity, and this graph right side to 0 is going to positive infinity. Therefore limit x tends to 0 negative 1 by x value is minus infinite. Similarly RHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 positive 1 by x positive infinity. Therefore LHL does not is equal to RHL. These values are not finite, these values are infinite. Therefore it is also called non-removable type discontinuity, and it is also infinite type infinite type discontinuity. It is also infinite type discontinuity. It is also called infinite type discontinuity. We take another example. Fx is equal to sin 1 by x at s equal to 0. We see that LHL is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus sin 1 by x. It is oscillating between minus 1 to plus 1. RHL, right hand limit at s equal to 0, we write limit x tends to 0 positive sin 1 upon x. It is oscillating between minus 1 to plus 1. Since we know that sin 1 by x lying between minus 1 to plus 1, therefore LHL does not equal to RHL, therefore it is also non-removal type discontinuity, and also oscillating point type discontinuity.